Welcome to MA. Let us make maths easier. In today's class, question number 11. Here it is an one word question. Okay, important questions. Okay, let function f such that real number to real number be defined as f of x equal to x power 4. Given question number 11, f of x equal to x power 4. Here real number to real number, I am taking real number has minus 2, minus 1, 0, plus 1, plus 2. Real number minus infinity to plus infinity. I cannot take all the terms. I am taking only few examples. Okay. Here also same, minus 2, minus 1, 0, plus 1 and plus 2. Okay, here it is an one mark question. Here for one mark question you can check the domain and codomain. Okay, for one function every element in domain should be filled with only 1 to 1. Okay, see here, if I am taking minus 1, f of minus 1 equal to minus 1 power 4. Minus 1 power 4 in the sense here it will comes as plus 1, because here also like squaring terms. Okay, if I square minus 1 it will become plus, same. Then if I take f of plus 1, here f of plus 1 also same 1. Therefore for 0 here it is 0, 1 to 1, but for minus 1 here it is plus 1. Again for plus 1 here it is plus 1. Therefore from the domain you can clearly check it is many to 1. Okay, many to 1 function. Therefore here it is not 1 function. Okay, for on to you have to check the codomain. In the codomain every element should be filled. Okay, but here in this question minus 1 has no pre-image. Okay, minus 1 belongs to real number. Okay, but minus 1 has no pre-image. Okay, even one term is not filled, therefore here it is not onto function. Okay, this is by checking the domain and codomain. By the definition method 2 I am teaching. For one function you have to check x1 equal to x2. Okay, here f of x1 equal to x1 power 4, x2 equal to x2 power 4. Therefore f of x1 equal to f of x2. Okay, now I am equaling x1 power 4 equal to x2 power 4. In this sum here it is square or power 4 power cube. x1 not equals to x2, because here minus 1 power 4 and plus 1 power 4 having the same image as 1. Okay, therefore it is not an 1 function. Okay, because here it is not equal to. Okay, next, for onto function, here f of x equal to y, therefore y equal to x power 4. Therefore, we need only x equal to fourth root of y. Therefore, this is an irrational. Again, it is not onto function. Okay, finally you should write neither 1 and nor onto. Okay, here option D. Okay, I hope you all understood the question number 11. Okay, thank you.